What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a short video on showing you guys how to do a ponytail the right way for natural hair. Before we start, I just want to point out that this is not a styling video. This is just a tutorial on how I think is the best way to put your hair in a ponytail as natural girls so your hair doesn't get knotted. So it's not going to be cute in the end. Thanks. Alright, so don't mind my hair right now. I literally just washed it last night before going to bed. It has no product in it. This is an actual wash and go. This is what my hair actually looks like, and I'm just loving my lion's mane basically. I mean, look at the different textures in my hair. So my hair is basically soft. I mean, I feel like I need a haircut, but look at in the back. I just don't understand it. This is no product in my hair. This is how the back of my hair grows. These cute curls right here. And then everything else, I just have to like lay a bunch of product in it and make it happen. Like, I don't understand it, but that's okay. That's all right. And then as you can see, like in the back here, it just grows down, and then the top just like shrinks up like crazy. And the majority of the time I would have to cut the back of my hair because I start to get like a mullet because that grows down and it doesn't really shrink while everything's shrinking up. So I get like kind of like a mullet. So it's weird, but that's my hair. That's what it looks like. An actual wash and go. Okay, so the point of this video, I know a lot of you guys might be like, oh duh, we know how to do a ponytail. But you know, like I've seen a lot of people like do ponytails like this, and I don't like it at all. I feel like it doesn't make any sense and that'll just knot up your hair. So this is how you should not do a ponytail. I see people doing it like this, just taking your hair and pulling it up like this. And I guess this might work for straight hair girls, but for natural girls, I feel like this is the wrong way to do it. So you just pull it up like this. And you know, it looks fine, it looks great, but like it depends on the type of hair and it depends on the state of hair that is in right now. So because I did this, it basically just took everything from the sides and pull it over the top part of my head. And what I mean when I say that is that the top part of my hair basically is not really in the ponytail. Like this is just covering it like that, like it's just covering it. So let me show you the right way to do the ponytail, and then you'll understand what I mean when I say it's going over the top part of your head, because obviously it's on the top of your head, right? Okay. So this is the right way to do a ponytail. So wherever you want your pony, if you want it on the top of your head, then you need to grab the top part. You need to grab the top part and pull it into a pony first. That way everything will be in the bun. So I don't know if you noticed when I did this, it was like a whole bunch of hair here. But when I do it this way, it'll look way smaller and tighter, and then you'll have, I think, like a bigger bun. So then what you'll do, let me go down so you can see. So then what you'll do is just slowly just like pull everything up. So it's from the middle again. Let me do it again. It's from the middle. And you just like pull everything up. It's like you're grabbing it from here, from the middle part of your hair. Right? So it's like this. You're grabbing the middle part first. And then once you have that middle part up, then you're gonna wanna start pulling everything close together. Just pulling it in from the middle. Then you can start pulling everything up from the sides. So now I have a tighter pony. My whole hand can go over my head, can go around my hair basically. And all my hair is in the pony. So then now you have more hair in your pony. It looks a little bit tighter and you can do more with it, and you feel like it's not gonna knot up when you take it out because everything is stretched out. So the only things that are out right now is just the ends, and everything is in the pony, instead of like the middle of your hair is not like scrunching down around the rest of your hair, if that makes sense. Sorry if I sound out of breath. I just got off of work and I'm so tired right now, but I really wanted to make a video, so yeah. So you just style it however you want, but basically that is it for my video. That is how I think a perfect pony should be for natural hair girls, the technique for it to make the actual perfect pony. Let me know what you guys think, if you have a better technique or if the other way is better for you, if your hair doesn't get knot up when you just pull your hair up like that, it just depends on the texture of the hair. Just let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell notification button so you don't miss any of my next videos, and I hope to see you guys on my next ones. Bye!